This training unit looks at the universal models of the Bosch planers. The Universal series consists of the PHO 1500 and PHO 2000. The single blade system ensures quick and easy planing without the user having to exert force. The safety switch prevents the planer from being switched on unintentionally. The Woodrazor blade from Bosch ensures a very smooth surface, eliminating the need for finishing work such as sanding. The 3 V-grooves ensure precise chamfering of corners in 3 different strengths. The fold-down parking rest prevents damage to surfaces when the tool is put down. The hex key for changing the planer blade is conveniently stored on the PHO 1500 itself. The PHO 2000 has a practical storage compartment for the hex key and planer blade. To change the reversible planer blade, you loosen the holding screws, pull the blade out sideways, turn it 180 degrees, and slide it back into the blade holder. The planing depth can be easily set in 1/4 millimeter steps. The Bosch planers achieve rebating depths of up to 8 millimeter. It is possible to equip the new Bosch planers with previous accessories: parallel and angle guide, parallel guide, and rebating depth guide. A sawdust bag or all-purpose vacuum cleaner can be connected to both tools. On the PHO 2000 model, you can also select whether the sawdust is ejected to the right or left. The cabled sleeve prevents the cable from breaking. Now have fun with the PHO 1500 and PHO 2000 planers from Bosch.